Two high-powered rifles seized in Salt Spring. Where did they came from? Who were they intended for? Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. So the police in St. James are reporting that they have uncovered two high-powered weapons, an M16 rifle and also a 9mm submachine gun. So the police are carrying out an intensive investigation in order to ascertain the origin of these weapons. But when we look on these weapons and how the police are able to find these weapons, it's very clear that someone with some high dollars is funding these weapons, based on the fact that these weapons, they are not cheap, and these weapons cost a whole lot of money. So where are these individuals getting the money in order to fund these operations, in order to fund these weapons purchase, based on the fact that these are not made locally and they are finding some means or another to import them into the country without getting notice? Reports are that around 5 a.m. an operation commenced, during which several premises and open lots were searched. The two firearms were seized: an M16 rifle along with a magazine containing 18 rounds of 5.56 mm ammunition, as well as a 9mm submachine gun along with a magazine containing 18 rounds of 9mm ammunition. They were located in an open lot. No arrests were made in connection with the seizure of guns and ammunition. However, several persons were detained during the operation under the public state of emergency, the police said. The investigation continued into this matter. So the two weapons that were seized in this incident is a M16 rifle as well as a 9mm submachine gun, and these two weapons were seized in Salt Spring area of St. James on Friday of this week. And this situation does go to show you that these criminals, they're heavily armed, and someone is really funding these weapons, because these weapons, they are very costly. And how could these weapons have gone into the island without becoming noticed by the local authorities? And not this only, but other weapons have came through the ports and have caused the life of many to be lost innocently, based on the fact that these guns at times are used in order to carry out robberies and also other indecent and illicit activities. It's very sad to see how individuals just want to throw their lives away based on the fact that they resort to gang activities and criminal activities. I know at times situation out there is very hard, and at times you feel as if there is no way out, but resorting to violence and becoming a member of a gang, this is not the way to go, because at the end of the day, you're just putting your life at risk. And at the end of the day, you don't know when your life will be snuffed out, when you're caught in a situation that you can't even defend your own self. We'll keep you up to date with this story. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for now.